Okay, so I got my hose hooked up to the cylinder. I have my compression tool on there. Let me hook up this hose. I can't hold the phone and videotape it at the same time, but I'll show you most of the process. I cannot do both. Hold on. Okay, so on a 1980 Pontiac Trans Am, it has a 350 Chevy small block. I actually put a camshaft and timing chain and gears in this. Beefed up the cam just a little bit. So with the cam, I have to change the valve springs to heavier springs. So I'm actually doing it on the car with the compressed air hooked up to the cylinder. I'm about to take the keeper off the springs, giving me a lot of trouble. So here we go.